Good evening, all of you. I am Uma, Dr. R. Uma, Senior Public Prosecutor, retired. I worked in both CBI as well as in Vigilance and Anti-Corruption. Now I am going to discuss a few points about how mediation plays a very important role in marital disputes. Marriage and family are the fundamental stone of our society, which plays an important role in Indian society. The fast societal change, westernization, modernization, changes in ethics, changes in the society, all have brought changes in the marriage and family system in our country. As such, resulted in the lack of harmony among married couples. As a result, rate of divorce in Indian society is becoming alarming. The foundation of a sound marriage is tolerance, adjustment, respecting each other, trust, and above all, love and affection. But the above said qualities are getting shaped by the societal changes, and as a whole, the family system itself is getting tremendous change. Due to a disharmony between a couple, an argument on a petty issue arises. First, it will start with this point only, and it develops into a dispute. Then it leads to a conflict, and then to a litigation. So, matrimonial issues are considered too sensitive that even a court at times finds hard to handle. To solve family system, to save the family system, to resolve the matrimonial disputes, some alternative methods are necessary. So, mediation is a professional service offered by a competent mediator or a counselor for resolving a dispute to negotiate a settlement to the parties. The credit goes to our Honorable Madras High Court, being the first to set up mediation and conciliation center. This is not new, this mediation, counseling, conciliation and all, it's not new to our country. In ancient India, mediation system has been prevalent in one form or other. It has continued in villages as panchayats and preserved its customary form still in our tribal areas. The special feature of mediation includes severability, flexibility, party participation, consensus, self-reflections, preservation of ongoing relationship, or peaceful termination of relationship. It fosters peaceful and healthier interpersonal interactions in the long term and thereby emptying the causes of conflict in the society. Judiciary is currently emphasizing mediation as the right option for marital disputes so that the ultimate object of justice is achieved. Our apex court in Ram Gopal vs. State of Madhya Pradesh, scale 210, page 711, feels that though offences punishable under section 498A of IPC is not compoundable, in appropriate cases, if the parties are willing and if it appears to the criminal court that there exists an element of settlement, it should direct the parties to explore the possibility of settlement through mediation. See, when you come to court, you will be knowing section 498A of IPC. It is causing cruelty to the wife by a husband and his people. Here, some in IPC, there are certain sections compoundable, certain sections which cannot be compounded. This 498A section is non-compoundable because in the court, after filing the case, we cannot come to a compromise, we cannot file a compromise petition. That is called as non-compoundable cases. In this case, we cannot file straight away, we cannot file a compromise petition. So, here mediation plays a very vital role. And if it appears to the criminal court that there exists an element of settlement, it should direct the parties to explore the possibility of settlement through mediation. Judges with their expertise must ensure that this exercise does not lead to the erring spouse using mediation process to get out of the clutches of law. Similar suggestions were given by the division bench in Rajiv Verma vs. State of Uttar Pradesh, 2004, Criminal Law Journal, 2956 page. The court felt that the said offence could be made compoundable with the permission of the court. A full bench in Amaravati and another was a State of Uttar Pradesh, and a division bench in Sheraj Singh and Chutan versus State of Uttar Pradesh and another in 2005 Criminal Law Journal, 755 page. Give direction that thereafter the magistrate concerned may try and bring out reconciliation between the parties either by himself or in districts where some agency exists for bringing about mediation, conciliation or counseling through the said agency. So this is how the court in these cases felt. Not only courts, upper courts, in its 59th report, Law Commission of India had emphasized that while dealing with disputes concerning the family, the court ought to adopt an approach radically different from that. It should make reasonable efforts of settlement before the commencement of the trial. In K. Srinivasa Rao versus Deepa in 2013, 5 SEC, page 226, our apex court issued direction to all courts dealing with matrimonial disputes to settle all matrimonial disputes at first instance through the process of mediation. The apex court directed all family courts and criminal courts to refer parties to mediation center to settle dispute through settlement under mediation given by trained mediators in matrimonial disputes, especially in relation to maintenance and child custody, etc., through the process of mediation, and to refer the parties to mediation centers with the consent of the parties. Thus, mediation cut short the financial and emotional cost of that litigated divorce. Mediation also protects the children of a marriage from the pain of the parental conflict. Not only this, there are many vital role of mediation in matrimonial disputes. Mediation also promotes conciliation and secure a speedy settlement of dispute relating to the matrimony, which is the ultimate aim of the judicial system. So these are the main points regarding mediation in matrimonial disputes. So I come to a conclusion. I tell you one case law what I approached in my case when I was in my service. See, I told you the argument will start on a petty issue, very flimsy issue. Then it will breed into a dispute, argument again. Then it a conflict. Then they will go to a court and file a litigation. So here I tell you one case example what I handled. One case, a peculiar case came to me for dowry harassment case. The girl filed a dowry harassment case against that boy. I made them sit to me, made them talk out, and she said What is the main reason for you to file this case? Did he harass you, or did he ask for any dowry, or he caused any cruelty? Frankly speaking, no, ma'am. Very often, that girl was very dark. Very often, he calls that girl darky, karpi. He used to call like that, it seems. So it has provoked her. And that boy also didn't realize his situation. That girl also didn't have the tolerance. Both didn't have the tolerance power. Instead, they could have sat with the help of the parents or with the help of some elders, and they could have sorted out the dispute, the issues amicably, because this is a very petty issue. So here, instead of coming to and giving a complaint in the court, they could have, if a mediator could have approached this case, very easily a trained mediator would have solved their dispute, and it would have ended in the mediation itself. They need not have come to the court for litigation and coming to the court and here running pillar to post from prolonging their life in agony. So these are all the cases, that the right case what I handled. There are thousands and thousands of cases like this, breeds only from a very small flimsy reason. It should not be like that. Here only helps the mediation and sorts out the main roots of the dispute, and they take away the agony and stress between the parties and make them reconcile and save the matrimony, the marriage system in our country. So with this, the Legal Service Authority Act 1987, also Article 39A of our Constitution, provides us legal aid service, in which Lok Adalats are very often conducted in our courts. Lok Adalats also plays as a mediator role, and they also sort out the problems of the matrimonial disputes. So children, I think you could understand from my discussion a little about marriage disputes and how mediation helps in the marriages. Thank you all. All the best.